welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that hits close to home for many of us: breakup motivation. Breakups can be incredibly tough, and it's normal to feel lost, hurt, and even shattered. But guess what? You're not alone in this journey. Today, we're going to talk about finding the strength to pick yourself up, dust off the pain, and move forward. So, how do we find that breakup motivation? Let's jump right into it. Point number 1. Finding strength after a breakup. A breakup can make us feel weak and vulnerable, but I'm here to remind you that you are stronger than you think. Take this time to embrace the pain, acknowledge your emotions, and then harness that energy to fuel your personal growth. It's important to remember that healing takes time. Give yourself permission to grieve and allow those emotions to surface. Cry if you need to, but don't let the pain define you. Instead, focus on rebuilding your life. Start by rediscovering who you are as an individual. What are your passions, your dreams, and your goals? Use this newfound freedom to explore new hobbies, interests, and career opportunities. Point number 2. Interact with new friends. Surround yourself with a support system of friends and loved ones who uplift and inspire you. They will be your pillars of strength when you need it most. Lean on them, share your thoughts, and listen to their advice. Point number 3. Engage yourself in self-care activities. Never underestimate the power of self-care. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Engage in activities that bring you joy and help you relax. It could be anything from exercise, meditation, journaling, or indulging in your favorite hobbies. Point number 4. Set new goals for yourself. Remember, your breakup does not define your worth. You are worthy of love, happiness, and all the beautiful things life has to offer. Use this time to rediscover your identity, learn from your past, and set new goals for yourself. Point number 5. Embrace change and growth. Sometimes a breakup is the catalyst for a better, more fulfilling life. Use this experience to become the best version of yourself. Let go of the past. Forgive yourself and your ex-partner, and open yourself up to new possibilities. You are strong, you are resilient, and you have the power to overcome anything that comes your way. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and keep moving forward. That's it for today's video on breakup motivation. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Remember, you are not defined by your breakup. You have the strength within you to create a future filled with love, happiness, and personal success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Until next time, stay safe.